The Monster Kit includes everything you need to develop AI for your monsters. This Monster Blueprint class is the core of the system and serves as the parent class for all your monsters. It contains all the systems your monster needs, combined into one class. The Perception System, monster behavior and states, monster data, which stores all parameters and settings, and the Ability System for defining your own abilities. From the core class, you will create child classes for each monster. Then, change the mesh and set up the animations. Configure the monster data for each monster to define its behavior, states, parameters, and define abilities. You can extend the system by using callback events, creating custom behaviors, and easy to combine it with other systems in your game.